What's up YouTube, Victor for Phone Arena bringing you this week's awesome deals for games and apps on Android and iOS. And right now we have 5 brilliant games for Android, so let's take a look. The first game that we'll look at is God of Blades, one classic action game for Android and iOS, and it has absolutely gorgeous graphics. It's an action game and you take over the role of an avatar who has to kill the enemies in a side-scrolling action game. So let's just go ahead and demonstrate you all the action. The game is just $1 right now on the Google Play Store. So that's how it all starts. You have to pick between different levels. Have 4 big campaigns here, and we're just gonna pick the third one. And before you start each level, you basically get to choose a blade. Have a heavy, light, or medium sized blades, and the gameplay differs a lot whether you choose one of them. You have 3 motions that you can use. You can chop your opponents from below up or down. You can also block their hits just like so. You can see we have one of our harder opponents here. The gameplay is a lot of fun, and while the game isn't new, it's definitely entertaining, and it has boss fights as well. Let's just try and fight this one right here. See if we can use the superpowers. I'm doing actually surprisingly well against this boss. Not for long though. And we just lost this fight, but basically this God of Blades, $1 on the Google Play Store. Next on our game deals of the week is Sonic, a classic Sega game known from the 90s, and basically one of the first games in the platformer or jump and run genre, where you have your blue hedgehog, and here you can actually play as Tails and Knuckles as well. So let's just take a quick look at the gameplay. Controls are pretty simple. You have on one side your running controls, and on the other your jump button. Next on our list is a gorgeous platformer game for Android and iOS, and it's gotten way cheaper. And let's just take a look at the gameplay. See, the graphics are absolutely brilliant. It's a simple, very easy, very chill to play game. There is your Rayman character. Basically, you jump and run. Simple as that. Our fourth pick is a brilliant indie game called Super Brothers Sword and Sorcery. It's also become a classic, and it's discounted right now on the Google Play Store. Basically, this is a very interesting action-adventure game with the focus on adventure, and it's a very ambient game. So basically, you have a pixel art world which you have to explore, and sometimes you can even fight your enemies. So right now we're in the middle of the game, and if you tilt the device like so, you go into your action mode where you can fight enemies, take out the sword, and can hit them, and in landscape mode you basically just browse peacefully your way around, and you have to explore the world. You can zoom in and out. Something is going on. And the last game in our selection is an adventure game. It's called Broken Sword 2, and it's available for cheap for Android on Google's Play Store. You have all the links to the games below in the description of this video. This is really a brilliant game that arrived earlier on Apple and on Mac, and it's actually a Windows classic. So here you basically have to interact with the world. Brilliant graphics, remastered for the mobile screen. You can definitely enjoy hours of gameplay with this classic. There are not that many adventure games on Android, so definitely one title that you might want to explore. And that was our selection of the best deals on games and apps this week. So make sure to stay tuned to phonearena.com. Thanks for watching.